How you doing? It's Randy Hill, 6 Second Garage. Got the first pull with our new 22 GMC Denali. First time out with it. Been having it since August. Got 1,000 miles on it, so we at the track. Gave a review on the tow. Pulled pretty good. Got a big payload. Handle the trailer good. Gas mileage still kind of not what I thought it would be. My wife working hard right there. Taking it easy. We got our top dressed out here. Just a quick walk around our stuff. Like the truck, I had an F350. Like the Denali a whole lot better. I can see the gas mileage still. We got a big trailer we pull. Gas mileage is not up to par yet, but the truck just got 900 miles on it, so it's our first time out with it. So just give you a little walk around, and we got that shocker hitch on there too. Let's take a look at that. That's like night and day right there. If you don't have one of them, you got to get one of them. Towing, make your towing a whole lot better. So that's it for our walk around in my racing operation. Thanks for looking, like, subscribe, and leave some comments. 6 Second Garage. Thank you.